Peace. On with the show. Captain's log start date is day number 9. 9 days into the month of April. Year is 2014. Time right now is 10:31 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you tuned into this post and you've been following along, you know that it's the day of Operation Unplug from Wednesday 12 p.m. noon to Thursday 12 p.m. noon. We disconnect from the internet and connect to whatever else there is to be connected to. I would say that, and we move in that direction. So, on with the show, just a little brief intro. Count your blessings, and your blessings will increase. This is choosemyplate.gov. That's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 39, a lucky number. So count my blessings, count your blessings, and your blessings will increase. So the moral of that exercise is just to say that something interesting happened this morning, something that I definitely like, which is that I just woke up to some money. And the most important thing for me, especially as a self-employed person, is the opportunity. The opportunity knocks, and the opportunity to make money comes before the actual making of the money. So, just as a process of some things that took place yesterday, an opportunity just opened up this morning, make some money for something that I already do on a regular basis. And someone said, hey, I need that done for me, and boom, woke up to some money. And when I was on my way upstairs to post this intro, before I made it up, there was a knock at the door, and had to go see what it was about, and boom, came back with a few more dollars while I was thinking about what I was going to post, which is what you're seeing right now. What you see is what you get. So, all in all, I think it's really what this book said. If you want to get somewhat spiritual and metaphysical, this is the Bhagavad Gita, the Indian holy book. And basically what it states, to summarize it, is really about service. So that's all it's really about, is keeping my mind on service. And today I'm going to take some time out and really focus on what I was thinking about and what types of things I was creating that led to the opportunities to make some money opening up. And more and better money is more and better opportunities. Count your blessings and your blessing will increase. So that's the path to victory. We're going to stay focused on it, and I wish the force to be with you as we continue on with this journey. Right on schedule. Operation Unplug, same day as Woman Crush Wednesdays. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Stay at peace. One love.